In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search x.com, also known as Twitter, for an image quickly and easily. This is a super useful method if you want to find posts with photos, screenshots, memes, event pictures, product images, or any other visual content without scrolling endlessly. If you've ever wondered how to filter your search so you only see images, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open x.com in your browser or open the X app on your phone if you prefer. Once you're on the platform, look for the search bar at the top. This is where you will type in the keyword, phrase, username, or topic you want to search for. For example, you could search for a brand name, a person, an event, or even a specific subject like sunset, logo, or product launch. Type your search term into the search bar carefully, then press enter or tap search on mobile. X will now show you general results related to that keyword, including top posts, latest posts, accounts, and other content. But since we want images specifically, the next step is important. Click the Media tab. The Media tab filters your search results so you can see posts that include images and videos, but it is especially helpful when you're looking for visual content. This is the fastest way to narrow down your results and focus on posts with photos or graphics attached. If you're trying to find more specific image results, you can make your search even better by using more detailed keywords. For example, instead of searching something broad like car, try searching red sports car, vintage car interior, or electric car showroom. The more specific your search term is, the more accurate your image results will be. You can also combine a topic with a location, a date, a brand, or a name to get even better results. For example, if you're looking for event photos, you might search the event name plus the year or city. If you're looking for a product image, include the product model or brand name. Another helpful tip is to try different wording if the first search doesn't give you what you want. Sometimes a synonym or a more descriptive phrase can bring up better visual posts. You can also scroll through the Media tab results and click into any post to view the image in full size or open the thread for more context. This is especially useful if you're researching a topic, collecting reference images, or looking for content inspiration. So the simple formula is type your search term into the search bar, press enter, and click the Media tab. And if you want even more specific image results, use stronger keywords and more detailed search phrases. That's really all there is to it. It's fast, easy, and one of the best ways to find visual content on X without wasting time. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.